Hi, Colorado Springs. This is Joanna Smith here from Pro Auto Spa. My husband and I are the owners here. A lot of people think that they have to go to a collision center to get their hail damage fixed. That's not necessarily the case. What I'd like you to do is bring your car to us first. You do not have to go to who your insurance agent steers you to. In fact, that's what it's called, steering. That's illegal. You are able to choose whichever repair facility you would like to. And I encourage you to choose Pro Auto Spa, and here's why. We are honest, we have integrity, we don't go around the law. We are accredited with the governing bodies of our industry. We're a PDR Nation certified repair shop. We're members of the National Alliance of Paintless Dent Repair Technicians. Our technicians are VAIL certified, ARC certified by their peers in the industry. What happens in paintless dent repair, you'll have people come into the industry and hack cars up and not guarantee it, and sometimes those are the guys setting up tents and then they leave. Please don't go to the people in the tents. Didn't you see that news report last year where the guy was hiding in the tent, and insurance fraud and forging the person's check and keeping their car for months at a time? That is not traditional paintless dent repair. That's not how hail damage repair is supposed to work. What I'd like you to do is come to Pro Auto Spa first. The reason why is because hail damage requires a paintless dent repair. In most cases, it does not need a body shop. Colorado spring storms oftentimes are severe, where the damage is too large to be repaired with paintless dent repair. The Cheyenne Mountain storm last year, that was totaling vehicles, and that was even, some of them were beyond a body shop repair. But I'd like you to come to us first, because what happens is when you take your car to a collision center, remember, it's for collisions, not for dent repair necessarily, you want to come to a dent repair shop first. Just like a collision center would sublet the paintless dent repair work to us, or sublet it to another national company that's chasing storms, or a handful of guys, of technicians to come in. They sublet it out to someone else that does dent repair. They very rarely have dent repair, an employee that does dent repair that works for them. Just like I don't have someone that works for me that does collision repair. So if I get something in, or specific to hail, if I get a car in that needs a new hood or a new trunk, I can't do that here. So I sublet that out to one of my body shop partners to do that work. So we kind of scratch each other's back that way. But I want you to come to us for dent repair, because we do that every day. We're the professionals. We go to the industry expos and trade shows and learn how to estimate properly. We work with insurance companies to get the proper pricing for the repair. And the money stays here. It takes out the middleman of the body shop, who takes a large percentage of that repair because it's their customer. So I would just encourage you, choose a paintless dent repair company. Of course, come to Pro Auto Spa. And then if we need to sublet a panel out to a shop, we'll handle all of that for you. Or if it's not a repair we can take on, and it looks like it needs to go to a body shop for a new hood or roof specifically, or a trunk or deck lid, then we can work with one of our body shop partners there. But please, whenever there's hail damage, please always choose Pro Auto Spa as your local leader in hail damage repair. Conveniently located right off I-25 and Garden of the Gods Road at North Park. You can find us at 4710 North Park Drive, Suite 100. See you soon.